Thank you for choosing the India First
Happy India plan.
Let us now quickly look at details of how you can benefit from this plan using its features. The basic details that you need to know are how much you need to pay and for how long you need to stay invested. Where is your money invested? What do you get at the end of the plan? Can you access your money in between? What if something happens during the plan term? And lastly, the charges under the plan. Let us look at each of these questions individually. The first one, how much and for how long do you need to invest? Well, you can decide the amount you want to invest every year and the number of years you want to invest based on your income and expense flows. You can choose to pay your premiums monthly, 6 monthly or yearly. Second, where is your money invested? Based on your individual preference and risk capacity, you may choose from any of our different funds. Debt 1, Equity 1, Balanced 1 or Value Fund. You can at any time switch between funds or redirect your future premiums in different funds based on the changes in your risk capacity and market conditions. Your total fund value is paid to you at the end of the plan term. To ensure your fund value accumulates as planned, it is ideal that you should not break the flow of savings unless you have some urgent and unforeseen need for money. In a financial emergency, you can discontinue your plan and withdraw your accumulated earnings after 5 years, free of exit charge. We know you have dreams for your family. In the unfortunate event of the life assured's demise, your family gets additional financial security equal to total sum assured plus fund value plus future premiums payable on your policy. In case of accidental permanent total disability, we will pay the total of fund value plus remaining premiums. Your plan also offers you the choice to decide your life insurance based on your age. For example, if you are below 45 years of age now, you may choose a life insurance up to 14 times your first annual premium. You may note the minimum sum assured payable during the plan term based on age. Lastly, our charges. Other than cost of insurance, which depends on your age and health condition, there are 3 types of charges you pay. Allocation charges, policy administration charges, and fund management charges. These 3 charges put together do not exceed 2.25% of reduction in yield if you invest for 10 years and between 3 to 4% if you invest for 5 to 10 years. When you get your plan, do read it carefully. If you find it is not the right one for you, ask for a refund within 15 days. So, what are you waiting for? Secure your dreams for your family. Contact us now.
Beware of spurious phone calls and fictitious or fraudulent offers. IRDA clarifies to public that IRDA or its officials do not involve in activities like sale of any kind of insurance or financial products nor invest premiums. IRDA does not announce any bonus. Public receiving such phone calls are requested to lodge a police complaint along with the details of phone call and number.